Hey guys, so I'm on my way to see Martin, but I really like my outfit today, so I wanted to show you first. Yeah, so this is the outfit. I'm just wearing a white tank top, these green Bermuda shorts, and white sandals. So very simple, but I like it. I feel like uso siya. And it's comfortable. And I'm wearing this new, and you just have this paper clip necklace. Tapos pati yung watch ko, green. There na siya dun sa shorts ko. This is the look for today. Very comfy. And my bag. O, diba? You know what I'm saying? Ganito yung uso ngayon eh. The contrast, like casual, not so girly outfit. And then you have like a girly bag. Hi, Tyler! Tyler is stressed out because nafe-feel niya nga alis ako. Bye! Love you! Bye! Love you! Bye, Tyler! Bye, Ate Ales! Ate Ales! Bye! Nagre-reklamo na siya. On my way to Martin's place, and it's a rainy day today. Kanina sobrang lakas ng ulan, buti medyo humina na. Maliit pa naman yung kotse ko, so hindi siya pwedeng dumaan sa mga baha. Today, pupunta kami sa SM Aura kasi there's this restaurant there that we want to try. Nakita ko lang siya sa Instagram. It's called Hummus Elijah. And nung nakita ko yun, una ko naisip si Martin kasi sobrang favorite ni Martin ng falafel. And then, they even have a vegan menu. So, yung mga gustong-gusto ni Martin. Ako, I really like hummus. I wanted to try somewhere new. Para hindi naman yung usual na restaurants na kinakainan namin. And I also need to go to the mall kasi kailangan ko bumili ng slippers kasi nasira na yung slippers ko. Okay. I'm gonna try to parallel park. Hopefully, walang car na kasi. What?
I'll do it.
Okay.
Get it. What is that? What are you doing?
I told you I don't know how.
Oh, wait.
Failed. Parang babanggain ko yung gate nila, Mart.
Oo nga eh. Parang papasok sa gitna.
Si Martin, I'll do it.
I'll do it. Let me get out of the car.
See, mahirap talaga. Pero actually, hindi ko talaga alam masyado yung principle of parallel parking. So,
That's part of driving lesson.
parang hindi ako tinuruan sa driving school.
No way.
Oh. Ay, dalawa pa. Dalawa. So, scratchy. Christmas decor. Even though it's only September.
I hate it. I like it. It's not like on the going for anything, but good in September.
This your portion.
This is mine. This is mine.
Martin bought chia drinks. My free day, so it was good. So Martin bought some. Chocolate.
Coconut milk chocolate. Vegan chocolates.
We're here sa, but it's like the top floor of SM Aura.
And I'm excited because
Ayan siya. Sabi, the best hummus and falafel in the Philippines. Pareho namin gusto ni Martin. So, we'll try it. Ito yung order namin. Hummus Elijah. Small is their bestseller. Martin is having falafel in pita. I'm having shakshuka. Matagal ko na gusto mag-try ng shakshuka because I see it on, yung mga cooking reels. Gano'n. It looks so good. Hummus Elijah. Small lang to, di ba?
yeah, you order small.
Yeah. Small hummus Elijah. And then it comes with pita bread.
Parang hindi naman small yung order. Like, look at my hand.
Parang,
Yes.
so mali na bigay, large yon. So ganito lang yung small. Tanan! Still so pretty. And then yung pita, it's also for this one. Yung shakshuka. It's egg cooked in, tomato sauce and spices. And Martin's falafel in pita. It feels legit. Even the pita feels so legit. I feel like I'm in the Middle East. Try natin yung falafel. House of the Dragon collection in Stradivarius. See? House of the Dragon. Ooh, this is cool. We're gonna go to Starbucks. Naglo-load lang si Martin dun sa Starbucks card niya. And pabilikan namin yung binili niya na chia drink. Because he paid for it already, tapos iniwan niya. Pabilikan namin.
Para fresh pa, di ba?
Yeah,
You take it home.
para
Because
it's cold.
like almond milk, ganyan. So, just so
Masarap
that
yun. It's almond milk, chia seeds, and fruits or chocolate. Basta like whatever the flavor is. Hey guys, so we're on our way home now. And inon ko yung vlogging camera because I wanna talk about Hummus Elijah. Basically, what happened was, pag alis namin ni Martin doon, nasa escalator kami. Tapos biglang sabi ko sa kanya, I want to eat something yummy!
she blurted it out na parang, I wanna eat something yummy! Nagulat ako. I was like, where does it come from, diba? I mean, kakain lang namin.
Kasi, the food is good. Hindi pangit yung lasa. But for some reason, parang it wasn't exciting to me. Favorite ko yung falafel yo. So, parang na-compare ko yung flavors niya sa falafel yo. And I prefer falafel yo so much better. With falafel yo, the flavors are just exploding in your mouth. Tapos yun, parang it tasted bland to me. Parang kulang sa salt. Pero kay Martin, okay lang. Kasi si Martin, he likes bland food. But to me, parang like kay Martin, sana nag-ramen na lang tayo or sariwan, bibimbap, yung gano'n. Pero okay lang. Sabi ko kay Martin, nung nakita ko naman yung Hummus Elijah, siya naman yung naisip ko. Like, na-excite ako for him kasi alam ko, magugustuhan niya.
And I loved it, huh? Just so you know, nagustuhan ko siya. It was something that I can go back for. And I know Den wouldn't. Nagustuhan kasi yung spicy niya. There's a spice that they have na sobrang anghang. And I loved it. Tapos, the tahini was just too pure. Parang everything was really made purely.
I bet, that's very healthy. And yun nga, very pure. Very purist. But I was looking for that punch na parang meron yung falafel yo.
Parang it doesn't have any modern modification, ganyan. So I really liked it. For me, I liked it. But then, pent up inside,
Tapos sabi ko kay Martin, kasi every Saturday, I look forward to going out with him and eating out. Kasi yung parang special meal of the week ko. Tapos, nagkulang sa flavor. So, parang hindi ko na-feel na parang, I had my special meal of the week.
Plus, just so you know, she doesn't like green bell pepper. Bell pepper.
I don't like green bell peppers.
And what she ordered was the shakshuka, which is so nice.
Napapanood ko kasi palagi yung shakshuka. Tapos it looks good. Tapos when I tasted it, parang puro bell pepper na lasa. So like parang iba talaga yung expectation ko in my brain sa nakain ko.
For me, I have nothing with the bell pepper. I actually like the ingredient. So when I tasted it, it was really nice. For me.
Parang may gusto kong kainin pero hindi ko ma-figure out kung ano.
Yep.
Kasi nabusog na ako.
Kasi like, yeah, we're full. And at the same time, like, she wanted to redeem the taste buds, right? But while we're doing it, she already has the caramel macchiato. And she doesn't normally order caramel macchiato. Madalas like, sa latte or something.
But because I wanted something yummy in my mouth. I highly recommend falafel. My favorite falafel place. But I'm not bashing Hummus Elijah. Kasi nga, Martin liked it. It's just, hindi yun yung hinahanap ko. Tapos sabi ko kay Martin, wala akong masisi. Kasi ako yung namili, no? I can't blame him na parang, ba't kasi ito yung pinili mo? Ganun, no? Ako yung namili nun. Kasi I wanted him to enjoy. Okay, anyway, that's my Hummus Elijah rant. We're gonna go back to Martin's house now.